You can access learning resources by clicking on Learn on the menu bar here. Click on Prepbook, click on Download. This is how your Prepbook looks. Prepbook contains the content for preparation of the competition. Click on Word Basket. Click on a letter. Select a word. Click on Audio to hear the pronunciation of that word.
Catch. Meeting.
Click on Prep Tests. Click Start Test. Attempt the questions of different rounds. Click on Submit. Click on View Answers to see the detailed answer sheet of the test attempted. You have now access to the learning resources,